Hi preschool friends, Mrs. Kania here. Let's play a game with shapes. I have 3 jars and you can see numbers at the bottom of the jars. The bottoms at the number of the jar tell us how many sides the shape should have if we put it in the jar. So the first jar has 0. So any shapes that have 0 sides go in this first jar. Okay? 0 sides. What's the next number on the next jar? Number 3. That's right. So if we find any shapes with 3 sides, we put that right in this jar. And what about this jar? What number do we see here? Number 4. That's right. So any shapes with 4 sides go in this jar. All right? Now, which one of the jars would have the triangles in it? Think about it. If you said the middle jar, you're right. Why did you know the triangles should go in the middle jar? Because triangles have 3 sides, and this jar has a 3 on it. You're so smart. All right, let's take a look at our buttons. All right, let's go ahead and grab a button and think about how many sides the button has. Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3. It has 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 angles. Is this a triangle? It is. So which jar should we put our triangle in? The first jar? No, because that says 0 sides. Should it go in our middle jar? Yes, that's right, because this jar says 3. You should have 3 sides if you put your shape in this jar. Great, let's keep going. This is a pretty button. It's green, isn't it? Does it have any sides on it? No, no sides. It's round. So where should we put this button? That's right, in our first jar, because it doesn't have any sides, 0 sides. That's a circle, 0 sides. Okay, let's keep going. Here's another shape. Let's see how many sides this has. 1, 2, 3. So what shape is that? 3 sides and 3 angles? You're right, it's a triangle. Which jar should we put our triangle in? The first jar, the second jar, or the third jar? That's right, we should put the triangle in the middle jar because it has 3 on it, 3 sides. Okay, this is fun. Let's keep going. All right, let's take a look at this shape. How many sides? Let's count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. So which jar should we put this button in? Very good. Our last jar, because it has the number 4 on it. 4 sides. All right, let's keep going. What about this yellow button? How many sides? You're right, it doesn't have any sides. Which jar should it go in? That's right. The jar with the 0. No sides. All right. How about this shape? Another circle. That's right. No sides. You're really good at this shape sorting game. Awesome. All right. Thank you for helping me. Let's go get another shape. What do you think? Where should this shape go? Which one? Oh, you said middle? That's right. That's our triangle jar. All right. Here we go. What does this shape look like? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. Where should we put this shape? You got it. We should put it in the jar with the 4 because it has 4 sides. Fantastic. All right, we have a few more to go. Here's a pretty red shape. Where should this button go? Good job. Right in our middle jar with the 3 on it for 3 sides. All right. How about this pretty pink button? Have we seen these before? You know it. These are circles, aren't they? They don't have any sides at all. So it goes in this jar with the 0. 0 sides. All right, how about this shape? Where is this going to go? We should count up the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. And 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. So where are we going to put this black button? You know it, right in the jar with the number 4. Fantastic. We have a few more to go. You're getting so good at your shapes. All right, what shape do we have here? Triangle? I heard a lot of you saying triangle. All right, which jar should the triangle button go in? Middle jar with the 3 on it. Awesome. Blue button. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Should it go in the first jar? No. How about the second jar? Nope, that's a 3. That has to have 3 sides. How about this jar? Right. This jar has 4 sides. One last shape. What do you think? Do you see what I see? Our last shape is let's shout it out. That's right, it's a triangle. Great job sorting all your shapes. Let's see, how many 0 sides did we have? Let's count up our circle buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 circles. Let's count up our triangle buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We had 6 triangles. And how many 4-sided shapes? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Well, which button did we have the most of? Which button do we have the most of? If you said triangles, you're right. We had 6 triangles. And we only had 4 of the other ones. Fantastic. Well, we are going to make a train with different shapes. It's going to be a lot of fun to make a train with shapes. Can you take a look at all the different shapes that we have? I colored all of mine. This is what yours is going to look like. You could color all the different shapes, and then you can color your track, and then we're going to put them on the track and make a train. It's going to be our shape train. I colored my train tracks brown. You can choose whatever color you want. All right, now I'm going to take this rectangle and put it on the track. That's going to be at the bottom of my train. I'm going to add these wheels. They look like circles or ovals. We'll put those at the bottom, right? So the wheels go on the track. Now I'm going to put a square next on my train. And I added a square inside a square for a little window. You could do whatever you want. Now I'm going to wait, what is this? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 angles. We have a triangle, folks. I'm going to put a triangle at the front of our shape train. It kind of looks like a little plow, doesn't it? We have some more shapes to use. Wait a second. This is what I'm talking about. We have 2 more triangles, right? They have 3 sides and 3 corners or 3 angles. All right, I'm wondering where I should put them on my train. You can put them wherever you want to. I think I'll put a triangle at the top, maybe like a smokestack, right? And maybe I'll put the last triangle down in front. You can design it however you want. It's your shape train. Use whatever colors you want. You can use crayons or markers. It's up to you. I am very proud of my shape train. I can't wait to see your shape trains. And you know what a train says? Toot toot! Terrific! See you soon!